Hello all. Today I wanted to share some of my knowledge regarding the resume preparation for experienced people. So, what are all the different components we can mention for grabbing the recruiter's attention in the initial phase itself? So, I have drafted what are all we have to mention in our resume with the subheadings. So first one is like a career objective. So as we all know, like in career objective we can mention like, just for example I'm telling, like looking forward for a new opportunity in a challenging environment, like where I could utilize my technical knowledge and analytical ability and skills, etc. So something like that we can mention in the career objective. So about to the career objective we can mention our name and our current designation, and at the top right corner we can mention our email id and mobile number. So down to that we can mention our career objective, and then later we can start our experience summary. Like in experience summary, if we can like mention in all the points, like how many years of experience we have, and also like on what domain we have an experience, and what are all the different technologies we have worked, and expertise areas, like I have good experience in different testing types, like functional testing and web testing, and manual API testing, and cross browser testing, and automation testing. So expertise areas also we need to mention, and then like what type of client we have handled, and about our communication skills. So for communication skills we can mention something like below, like excellent interpersonal communication and organizational skills with proven abilities as an independent contributor to the team. It's just a point I have mentioned for few of the people's reference, and then later I have mentioned like a good working experience with UK based clients or US based clients. So something like that we can mention. And then another subheading is like a key competencies and skills, where we can mention all our skills, like we can mention heading like a technology area, and then we can mention what are all the different applications and software testing methodologies we have involved, and defect triage tools we have worked, and another testing tools like API testing tools and automation testing tools and database language. So everything whatever we worked, and we can mention, and in the tools name maybe we can do it, I mean like edit it like a table, and one column completely like for technology area, and another is for tools. So key competencies and skills, it's like that. And then we can mention our career profile, like what are all the different organizations we worked, and with what, I mean like with what designation, and from what period we have worked in that particular organization. And then later qualifications, so what is the degree name and institute, and specialization like computer science, so something like that, and with the percentage or CGPA. And awards and accomplishments are something which we got from our previous employer, like applause badge or some other badges we would have got, right, in our appraisals or some other events. So we can mention that with the year. And then here it will come about our previous experience, like assignments or career profile, where about the project details, like different types of functionalities we have worked, like if we worked on any of the login feature functionality we can explain about that, and what is the like while working on that particular feature, what designation you are working, and on which location, and also like description, about little description about that particular feature, and also about if we have worked on any other important feature like payments, so what are all the different types of payments we just worked. Just a little bit of explanation will help the recruiter or interviewer will help to get an idea on what type of experience we have. And also like later on roles and responsibilities, like we can mention like just an example I have mentioned, like worked in both web application and functional testing and API testing. And so here I have mentioned few points. So what we can mention in the roles and responsibilities, if we have worked as a team leader, like we can mention like what are all the different activities we will be doing in a day-to-day basis. And if we worked on any of the agile project, then what we will do, like attending the stand-up meetings and providing the updates or taking the updates, and also like working on the matrix, and also developing the scripts for the regression pack. So what different types of roles and responsibilities we have involved, we can mention here. And then later official details are like passport availability and notice period. And lastly, like personal details and declaration. In the personal details, like we can mention our parents details and date of birth, and then nationality. So in the declaration is like here, like I hereby declare that the information furnished above is true to the best of my knowledge, and then yours faithfully, we can provide our signature. So this is just a draft I have provided here in this video. So I just thought if it would be helpful for any of the at least one person who don't have idea, that's why I have shared my knowledge. Hope it would be helpful. So thank you.